Alright, got this '03 Mustang 3.8. Gotta do the exhaust manifolds on this joint. It's gonna be a nice job. It's gonna be a nice job, but we're gonna knock it out. We're gonna bang this joint up. One of these Mustangs. V6, 3.8, whatever. Let's get this manifold out. Exhaust manifold. Alright, y'all, it's pretty simple. It's an easy one, but first thing I did was remove the AC compressor and the intake. Right here. AC compressor. Give you a little bit more room to work up in here, but all your manifold bolts is right here. Right here. They are pretty accessible. Keep working your way up, and this EGR valve is right here. Disconnected from right here. And this whole pipe will come up with the manifold. As you can see, it goes down there. So, pretty easy, but it's coming out. Look at that. Look at that. Don't you just love it when the bolts just come out easy when you're doing the manifold? Look at that. Yep, pretty easy. Worst part about this damn job is this damn fiberglass. This shit right here, this fiberglass going all up and down this EGR valve. This shit get on your skin and it burn and it's stick and it's itchy. Oh my God, that's the worst part of the job so far. But yep, I keep you posted. And here it is, right from the top. Pull it right out from the top. A little wiggle here and there, and it'll come out. There you go. The whole exhaust manifold came out with the EGR tube. Alright. Don't forget the flames down there. That's you take those two bolts out from the bottom. You get those from the bottom. But other than that, it's a straight shot. Alright, y'all. Got the old one out. It's the old manifold. Yeah, take this EGR off. All the way up here. That's the EGR pipe. And I gotta cross it over to this one. Okay. That. I'll go into here. And this aftermarket joint came with this piece here. You gotta worry about that. We're just gonna leave that capped off because the old one doesn't have it. As you can see, the old one doesn't have it. So we'll just leave that one capped off. But there you go. That's the old one. That's the new one. Pretty easy job. Again, it's a 3.8. I don't know why they put a 3.8 in a Mustang. They should have left them all V8s, but you know, that's what they did. Alright. Let's go ahead and put the new one in. Alright, y'all, real quick though. I'll tell you where I'm changing the manifold on this car. This flange here. This flange broke off from the bottom of the old manifold. Okay? Used to sit right here, on here, and it literally broke off, as you can see there. So, got to change the whole manifold for that piece. So, yep. I'm putting it back in right now, though. It's gonna go in just as easy as it came out. Just remember, you just gotta, you can move this AC. It sits right here. Just 4 bolts. Pop it out, move it to the side, and then you take those 2 bolts down there off from the flange, and just then the manifold bolts, all the manifold bolts, and it'll slide right out. That's all you gotta do to get that bad boy out. I mean, yeah, it's easy, but you know, it can be difficult. Like taking those stud bolts out, all these stud bolts here. It takes time screwing it out. So just want to be honest about that. But other than that, I mean, it's still an easy job though. Go get it. Like, comment, subscribe.